So, so our question is, if length of resistance wire is increased by 0.5%, keeping the volume constant, then change in resistance will be. So we will use the formula, that is R equal to rho L by A. So basically we will do multiply of L in numerator also and denominator also. This will be our next step after writing up the formula, that is rho L by A. So what it will become? It will become rho L square by V. Our area into this L will become V. So now we have to do nothing but we have to take log on both sides. So this was R equal to rho L square by V. Now after taking log, it will become log R equal to log rho plus 2 log log L minus log V. So now after this step we will do differentiation. So what it will become after differentiation? It will become log R, but it will become delta R by R. Similarly, for log rho, it will become delta rho by rho. Similarly, then it will become plus 2 delta L by L. So here the error part is also coming in role. So this minus sign, it will get changed here. It will become plus, and now the log V will become rho V by V. Rho V by V. So we are seeing that there has been no changing of any part in this row, this row, and this row V by V also. So we will cancel them and we will be left by 2 row L by L. So it will be nothing but, so now it will have percentage change on this one, 2 row L by L. There will be percentage change. It has been given in our question that it is of 0.5. So here also we will multiply by 100, and our row R by R will also get multiplied by 100. Row R by R. So after we multiply it, 2 into 0.5, 2 into 0.5, we will get nothing but 1%. So we have 1% change. So this is our answer. We will see where the 1% is given. It is given in second option. So our answer is second. Thank you.